Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a beautiful school backpack for nursery to primary 3. Okay, so I don't know what you call it in your country, but I'll drop it in the... Alright, so guys, so this is the material we'll be using. We'll be using LV material. Okay, so the measurement is 11 inches by 14 inches. Okay, and then this is the side, the front pocket. Okay, so I measured 11 inches by 9 inches. Okay, and then for the side gusset, or for the gusset, okay, so this is the zip side. The zip side is 5 inches by 25 inches. The down part of the zip side is 4 inches by 25 by 24 inches. This is 4 by 24. The zip side 5 by 25. All right, so and then for the handle, so I cut 4 pieces, and for this we have 2.5 by 13 inches. So shape it to your desired shape. Okay, so now right side facing right side, so I'll top stitch and use my belt to belt it. So I'm going to use my belt to just so from this point to this point. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to be fixing my adjuster. Okay, so this is how I'm going to do it. Like this. So just arrange it and let it fit this way. So I'm going to top stitch it like this. Alright guys, so we are done with this. So we keep this aside and work on the zip side of the gusset. Okay, so I'm going to share this 5. Remember, this is 5 by 25, right? So I'm going to divide it into 2. That is 2.5 by 25 inches. All right guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is to fix my zip cloth. So now this is wrong side, so the wrong side is facing me, the right side is facing the right side of the bag. Okay, so I'll now cut the same size. I'm going to cut my lining, then like this I'll stitch it. Okay, so just stitch it from the first end. All right, so after doing this, the next thing is to fold it like this, and then top stitch it from this end to the last end. All right, so now this is the next right. I'm done with this side. I stitched it round. So now I'm now going to place this like this, or I can decide to detach it, so it's still the same thing like this. So this is still the wrong side, the right side is the one facing the right side. Okay, so the wrong side of the zip cloth is facing me. Okay, so I'm now going to place my lining the same way I did in the first one, and top stitch it to the end, from beginning to the end. So this is the down part of the zip side of the bag, right? So cut your lining and then stitch it all around from one end to the other end. So now we are going to fix our zip head, zip or runner. It's called zip head or runner. So for this, for the main, for this you need two. So we fixed two. So you fixed one from this end, the other one from this end. Okay, so we are done with the zip side. I'm going to keep it aside. Okay, notch the center and keep it aside. So we are going to be working on the main body now. The wrong one. So let's work on the back side of the bag. Okay, now I cut my lining. You see it's bigger than it, so I'm going to stitch it all round. So I'm going to trim off the excess. I don't need all this excess, so I'm trimming it off. That's the excess lining. Let's work on the front pocket. So cut your lining that is sufficiently enough. So we're going to stitch it round. So the next thing we're going to do is to fix our zip cloth. So I'll stitch it from this end. I left excess. Okay, so I'm also going to leave excess here, so I'm stitching it. The next thing I'm going to do is, after this, I'll fold it like this and stitch it. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to fix my, I'm going to fix the front pocket like so. Okay, so I'm going to stitch it like this, like this. So but look at it, remember that there's a cuff on the bag, so you can do where you can decide to sew it from the front or from behind or from the back. Okay, so let's do this together. Alright, now I'm going to close up this side using this same material. Okay, so I cut like 1.5 inch, so I'm going to fix it on it like this. Can you see? And stitch it from this end to the other end. So I'm folding it this way, like this, and top stitching it. So the next thing is to fix my zip. Remember, I did not stitch on the zip cloth. I started from here, ended at this point. I started from here, ended at this point. Okay, because if you stitch on the zip cloth, you will not be able to fix on. You'll not be able to fix your zip head, also called runner. Okay. I'm done with this. So the next thing I'm going to do is, so let's see, we have a front pocket, but when we're done I'm going to open it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to line this bag by cutting the same. All right, so let me show you this. Look at this, so I can as well stitch it properly. Okay, so now I can now stitch it properly. All right, so now we're done with the front side, right? So we're done with this. So I'm going to keep it aside and work on the back side. So notch your bag, this and this side. Okay, now this is how to fix the handle. Okay, so you just stitch it this way, but then remember there's going to be an angle, so you can cut like 8 inches. So this is how it's going to be. So we're stitching it from this point to this point, from this point to this point. All right, so now the next thing is to fix the belt. Okay, so measure 3 by 3 inches of your material or whatever you want to use there. Fold it into a triangle this way and fit this inside. Okay, like this. Stitch it from this end like this. So you repeat the same thing to the other. You need 2 of it, one on this and one on this. Alright, so this is what we have. You make sure that they cross parts like this. Can you see? They go like this and this. So I'm going to stitch this. Alright, so now the next thing is to fix this. I'm done with the fixing, right? So I'm going to fix it like so. Let me repeat this one so that you see. So we are done with the back side. Trim off any excess you have here. So the next thing is to join the two together using this. Okay, all right guys, so now the next thing is to pick my zip side, notch it, and then I also notch the main body. Okay, so I'm going to fix the two together like this and stitch it to where it ends, leaving like 1 inch on both sides. So this project you can use other type of material for it. So any material you can use, African fabric, any type of material you want to use on it. All right, let's notch the center of this down gusset as well. So I'm fixing it like so, notched side on notched side. Then I'll stitch it from this end, from here to this point. I'll do the same thing to this point. So I'm repeating the same thing here. You see where it stopped. So I'll still come back to this side and stitch it and stop here. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is to stitch this. I'll top stitch it. So the next thing is to cut off the excess. Okay, just cut it off. Cut this also off. So I cut a strap like 1.5 inch, so I use it to sew here to cover the rough edge. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to stitch it like so. I'm still doing the same thing here. So I'm now going to flip it this way. Okay, and top stitch it. Flip it this way. Okay, and then top stitch. So I'm repeating the same thing to the other side. All right guys, so the next thing is to bring my backpack. Remember, we already notched here, right? So I'm going to fix the notch to the notch and then stitch it round like so. So now when you're sewing, remember that we notched it, right? So for you to know that your sewing is balanced, the notch side, this must meet at this point, okay? By the time you're done, it must meet, okay? This is why you need to take your time, okay? So if you have watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to this channel, comment in the comment section. Like the video by clicking the thumbs up button. All right, so once you ensure that you got the center, okay, so now I'm now going to stop there, then come back to this point and start it again, okay, so that if there's any excess I can easily, you know, manipulate, okay? But if you do it straight like that, like you started from here and you do, it's not going to be straight, okay? So you leave it. Once you get to the middle point, leave it and come and start from the top again. All right guys, so let's see what we have here. Let's see, is my bag balance? Yes, it is. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my strap to cover the rough edge. That's all. All right guys, so this is it. So all you need to do is cut a strap like 1.5 inch, very long, okay? Then use it to stitch it round like this to give your work a very good, you know, finishing. So we're going to be turning it to the other side. So you use your hand to bring the shape out like so. Okay guys, so let's see what we have now. Let's see what we have. So, see, our backpack is ready. Okay, our backpack is ready. So see, we have a front pocket. Okay. Alright guys, so if you're watching this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to this channel. Click on the like button by clicking the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye bye for now. See you in my next video, and give us a suggestion of video you want like us to make for you. Alright guys, bye for now.